Hi, I'm Allison Kay with Unity Homes. We are here in northern Vermont at one of our Xyla projects. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Xyla, just over 1,800 square feet. It utilizes our 28 by 36 size Xyla, and you'll see it has our nice 6 by 12 bump, as well as a 12 by 12 screen porch, and it utilizes a connector, entryway mudroom, and a 2-car garage. So we're gonna take a look at the inside today and give you some more information about Xylas. So here we are inside the main volume of this Xyla. Again, it is the 28 by 36 size, and in this case, the client opted for the vaulted ceilings. So behind me, you'll see this beautiful UltraCraft kitchen done as part of the Tempo package and working with our selections team. And you can also see the space back here is kind of that interior space of that 6 by 12 bump that you see on the front of the house. That creates a perfect little dining room nook for this floor plan. Because it is the vaulted version, it does have the exposed timber frame, and with the 28 by 36 size, that ridge runs through the middle of the kitchen and living space. You'll always have some options around where the washer and dryer are located, and in this case, it made sense to have that interior of the space and a nice nook here for washer and dryer right across from the main bathroom. So here at the back of the plan, we have a small guest room or office, and on this side we have the main bedroom, or the primary, with an ensuite bathroom. So here we are out on the screen porch. This is one of our standard size 12 by 12 screen porch options, and you can see it's a perfect size for a quaint little sitting area. It has a wood ceiling and optional ceiling fan. Thanks for joining us for this Xyla walkthrough. If you have any more questions, please visit our website.